How to tell if the battery is charging or is fully charged? Well, by this really. I thought there'd be a bit more to it, but what to go on. Red means charging, green means fully charged. Well, actually, red means charging, there's a current going through it, and green means there's no current, but it doesn't need any more. That's all you've got to go on. I'm a bit surprised, I thought there'd be a bit more, but you can also do this. Switch it on and see where the battery is. Even that's basic. I mean, it's almost fully charged. It really is, actually. I thought it would tell you volts, amps, maybe. Well, maybe not. Somewhere. Maybe it tells you on the display, but when you're charging, I mean. This is a Hailong down tube type battery, but I think Hailong only make the battery case. So maybe the manufacturers are Jansian Tech, but they might just make that thing, that screen. I don't know who makes the battery, but Yose Power have got a bit about it on their YouTube channel. It shows you a factory, because it's just lots of different AA lithium-ion batteries all standing up like that. HL means Hailong. Hailong down tube type. Mine's is the wrong way around, but it's the only way I could really get it to fit if I put it the right way. It was really tight down here. I might try again. You can also get an adapter, which I've ordered, but I'm not sure. I think this may be the best. Alright guys, that's it. Red, green. Red, current. Green, no current. Fully charged, there's no current. Okay.